So now let's see how to make this write-on text effect in Premiere Pro. So we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. And this is my background video, you will get it under the description link. Now go to Graphics, New Layer, and Text. Then type your title. Select all text by pressing Ctrl+A. Now open Essential Graphics panel. Then click on Edit, and select the text layer. And here I'm using Gloss and Bloom font. You'll get it under the description. Let's increase the font size little bit. And font tracking 150. Center the text by using a line. Let's move down a little bit, so that the text looks clearly. And close the Essential Graphics panel. And increase the text duration, around 8 seconds. In the Project panel, create a new transparent video. Then drag it above the text layer. And increase this layer duration, same as text layer. Now go over the Effects panel. Then search here, Write On, and apply it on the transparent video layer. In the Effect Controls panel, under the Write On effects, now we need to increase the brush size to something that's big enough to cover the text. Let's try at 30. You'll see that a white circle has appeared. This is our brush, and I think that should be wide enough to cover the text stroke. Set the brush hardness 90 and brush length 50, and make sure it should be longer than your title length. And brush spacing is milliseconds, 0.001. And next we want to do, select the Write On. Get this dot over into position. So we want to bring it up here, the top of the E. Then click the brush position stopwatch icon, and make sure it should be the first frame of the layer. Let's make the screen bigger. I'm going to change fit 100. Then again click the Write On, and click right arrow key. It's gonna move one frame to the right. Now simply drag the crosshair, and begin painting over the text a little bit. Let's change the brush color, so that it looks better preview. Again click right arrow key, and drag it a little bit further. And do it continue to paint all over the text. And I'll just speed up the video a little bit, as I just continue tracing over these letters. And you should try to trace this latter, if you were to write it by hand. So our tracing is completed, then it'll look like this. And now it's very easy to mask with the text. Go to the Effects tab. Then search here Track Matte Key. And apply it on the text layer. Go over the Effect Controls. In the Track Matte Key effect, change the Matte None to Video 3. Because my mask layer is Video Layer 3. And that's all, our animation is ready. Let's fit the screen size. And render in out sequence for better preview. It looks so pretty. So now let's add the stroke under the text. And this is the PNG brush stroke. You can download it from the description link. Put the time indicator, where the text animation is stopped. Then move the stroke here. So now when the text animation is stopped, then the stroke will have appeared. Now set the stroke position. And let's thinner the stroke a little bit. Uncheck the uniform scale. Then select the Move tool. And double-click on the stroke. Now just drag it down a little bit. Let's increase the wide something like this. And then place it again perfectly. Now go to the Effects tab. And search here Linear Wipe. Apply it on the stroke layer. Go over the Effect Controls tab. and put the time indicator first frame on the stroke layer. So now under the linear wipe effects, set the transition completion 100 and change the wipe angle 250 degrees. Now click on transition completion stopwatch icon. Then go to few frames forward and set the transition completion 0. And that's it for the stroke animation. Let's see the full animation. It looks so cool, but I think the stroke animation is too fast. Let's make it slow a little bit. Just move the last keyframe few frames forward. And that's it. So hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and you can get more, so don't forget to like and subscribe.